Hi, in this video we'll go over JavaScript operators and we'll cover the two main category of the operators, the mathematical operators and the comparison operators. Now the the mathematical operators are quite common sense. The plus sign is for addition, the minus sign for subtraction, the backslash for division. The percentage sign is called modulus and we use it to obtain the remainder after dividing. For example, 4 modulus 2, because 4 is completely divisible by 2, there's no remainder, so 4 modulus 2 becomes 0, and we'll cover that later. Asterisk sign is used for multiplication, double asterisk is for exponent, the plus plus sign is for increment, and minus sign for decrement. In terms of the comparison operators, so when we want to compare two different values, if double equal sign refers to equals to, the exclamation mark and equal to sign means does not equal to. When we put three equal to signs together, it means the strict type equals to. For example, if we want to compare 10 equals to 10, to ensure that somebody has not typed 10 is equal to the 10 as a string, and we want to specifically ensure that both the data types are the same data type. For example, number is being compared against number and not number being compared against string. So exclamation and double equal to sign is for does not equal to. Less than operator is to compare less than, greater than for greater than. The double and sign is for logical and the final sign is used to a certain logical or. So let's go through this. So we will use the Google Chrome developer tools to go and explain the mathematical operators and the comparison operators. So let's start with the most simple operator. So plus sign, 5 plus 5, and that is 10. 10 minus 2, that's 8. 2 into 4, that's minus 8. 2 to the power of 3, that's coming as 8. And then the other operators that we have are modulus. So 5 modulus 2, because this is not completely divisible, so there's a value of 1. If we do 6 modulus 2, it comes as value of 0. Then increment and decrement. So let's give a variable a and assign it a value of 4. Okay, now if I do a plus plus, it still shows a value of 4, and this is because JavaScript first prints out a and then does the addition. Because now if I were to just type out a, you will see that actually the value has already changed to 5. Okay, so the increment has already happened. Now suppose I were to do a different method whereby I do plus plus a. Now you'll see automatically the value will be incremented by 1, so it will come as 6 straight away. Yep. Now if I were to decrement it, so let me do minus a, and the value returns to 4. And if I were to also do a minus minus, you will notice again, because a is being typed here first, so a gets printed out first. Okay, and the subtraction actually happens later, but it's not visible immediately. So a is appearing as 5. However, now if I were to type a, you'll see that the value is coming correctly as 4. Now we will go through the comparison operators. So let me create declare x as a variable. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to 4. Okay, so let's compare. So x equal to y, and this will come as false, correct? Now if we want to compare x, so we know that x is not equal to y, so x not equal to y, and this is coming as true. Okay. Now if you want to compare a strict type of, so let me just show you what that means. So this is create d is equal to 5 and e is equal to the string 5. Okay, now just see d equal to e, and it actually comes as true because JavaScript actually is able to make a guess that this string and this number 5 actually are the same. Okay, but now if we were to do a strict type of, so d equal to e, and this comes as false because JavaScript is able to recognize that here the data type is number, whereas here e, the data type is actually string. Now I'm going to give you an example of the logical operators. So let's create some variables. So let's call w equal to 5 and s equal to 5. Okay, so if we were to do logical operator, which is w equals to 5 and s equals to 5, and you'll see that it will come as the value is true. Okay, and if you were to do the other logical operator, which is or, which is the double pipe symbol, so let's w w is greater than 5 or s actually is less than 6. Yeah, so you see w is greater than 6, so even though w is equal to 5, so this is actually wrong, but because we have an or operator and we know that s is less than 6, so this is coming as true. So this are the final operators, logical and logical or. Thank you.